Good morning, students. So, last class we discussed geography. Yes, from geography we discussed art about art. This chapter 2 completed. And chapter number 2, let globe also are completed. And chapter number 3 also, yes, map something we are discussing. And completed or not completed, that one. Motion of art, yes, revolution I was telling. Yes, this one completed. Again, this one we are not starting. On map also we are starting, I think, something discussing. No, map we are not discussing. So today we will discuss about map. So maps, you have learned in the previous chapter about the advantage of a globe. Global advantage কথা আমি পড়ছিলো. However, globe has a limitation as well. A globe can be useful when we want to study the earth as a whole. করতে earth কথা শিকাৰ কাৰণে আমাক কি হয় globe important হয়. But when we want to study only a part of the earth, এটা part কথা শিকিবৰ কাৰণে as about our country, states, district, towns, village, it is of little help. বহুত help নকৰে, অলপ help কৰে. In such a situation we use maps use কৰো. A map is a representative of drawing of the earth's surface or a part of it drawn on a flat surface according to a scale, but it is impossible to flatten a round shape completely. গোটেই round shape টো সম্পূৰ্ণ নহয়. We find that maps are useful to us for various purposes. বেলেগ কামত ইউজ কৰোঁ. One map shows a small area and a few facts. Another map may contain as many facts as a big book. When many maps are put together we get an atlas. Atlas are of various sizes, measurements drawn on different scales. Maps provide more information, than a globe কাৰণে. There are of different types. Some of them are described below. Physical maps. Maps showing natural features of the earth such as mountains থাকে, plateaus থাকে, plains থাকে, rivers, ocean, etc. are called physical or relief maps. বুলি কয়. Political maps. Maps showing cities, towns and villages and different countries and states of the world with their boundaries are called political map. বুলি কয়. Thematic maps. Some maps focus on specific formations such as road. Maps, rainfall maps, maps showing distribution of forest, industry, etc. are known as thematic maps. বুলি কয়. Suitable titles are given on the basis of information provided in these maps. There are three components of map. তিনটা components আছে. Distance, difference and direction and symbol. এই তিনটা. Distance maps are drawings which reduce the entire world or a part of it to fit on a sheet of paper, or we can say maps are drawn to reduce scales. But this reduction is done very carefully so that the distance between the places is real. It can only be possible when a small distance on paper represents a large distance on the ground. Therefore, a scale is chosen for this purpose. Scale is the ratio between the actual distance on the ground and the distance shown on the map. For example, the distance between your school and your home is 10 km. 10 km. If you show this 10 km distance by 2 cm on a map, it means 1 centimeter on the map will show 5 km on the ground. The scale of your drawing will be 1 centimeter 5 equal to 5 kilometer. Thus, the scale is very important in any map. If you know the scale, you will be able to calculate the distance between any two places on a map. So till here, see, next class we discuss other part.